going to tell you about Narendra Modi's 7th best speech as PM. And that speech was given in Mauritius, in National Assembly of Mauritius. He said, "To be here with you in this assembly on a national day is a blessed moment for me. On this day in 1930, Mahatma Gandhi started Dandi March. Your national day honors that spirit too. Mauritius has stood as a bright beacon of democracy. This morning, I went to Ganga Talab. I felt a personal connection that comes from the bank of Ganga in my constituency, Varanasi. We are related to each other on our shared democratic values. Former Indian Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee had supported the construction of the first cyber city in Mauritius in 2003. I feel honored to announce a second cyber city in Mauritius," he said. He further added that we speak in one voice on causing of developing world. He said that I can assure you that as always we will be with you in support of your efforts, in joy for your success. Mauritius has been a leading international voice on climate change. He said that we will work together to avoid abuse of India-Mauritius double taxation treaty. Proudly flying the flag of Mauritius, Barracuda will sail as a symbol of our partnership. We will deepen our cooperation and do everything we can to strengthen your capabilities. We will do nothing which could affect the vibrant banking sector in Mauritius. Thank you.